Hi, in this video, I'll show you 5 AI video generators that you can use for free in 2026 without the watermark. Keep in mind that many AI videos tools add a lot of watermarks on free plans, especially the good ones that create good videos. So in this video, we're only covering tools with where watermark is not in the video, so the videos may not be the greatest. So the first option is basically CapCut. If you have CapCut downloaded into your PC, just go and open it up. Once you open it, you have here Create Projects, Record Screen, and you have AI Video Maker. If I go here and create, as example, a video, I'll find Create Engaging Videos with AI in one click. So you do have here a lot of things and a lot of things or videos that are created. You can from here choose the voice example if you want to change the style, how many minutes, and aspects ratio as well. If you want to add anything like a picture to be added or to be based on the video, you'll be able to do that as well. So for me, I'm just going to open here a tool like ChatGPT, and I'm just going to type create me scripts to create a video with AI, like a random. So I want a script to generate a video with AI. So for me, I'm just going to take a script from this. So, okay, I'm just going to copy this. I'm not going to read it, and I'm going to click on create. So all I need to do is just wait a bit until it's created. And of course, you have here on the free, as you can see, you have a limited, let me just show you. So you have limited time gifts on us. So 300 seconds of free video generation from text and images. So 3 seconds can also be used to be generated clips for storyboard scenes valid until this time. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So as you can see, yeah, everything is good. And I'm just going to click on generate. It's added some stuff by its own, but it doesn't matter. Let's just click on generate the video and let's see how it will look like. Let's try to export it after, and then we'll see. Of course, in the meanwhile, while we're waiting, let's talk about the other tool, which is Microsoft Clip Champ. So let's just go and open that option as well. Okay, still haven't generated yet. Some of the other tools, of course, are Canva, but Canva has actually a paid version if you want to use it. So as you can see, Clipchamp has created video with AI. I'm just going to do that as well. So what's the title of the video? I'm just going to do like test, doesn't matter. You can add your own media about it if you want to add it. As you can see, I'll just add random media here. Click on get started. You can choose the style if you want to. So I'm just going to do choose for me. Doesn't matter. As you can see, they are finalizing the video. So landscape or portrait, I'm just going to do landscape, click on next. And I don't want to add any music font. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And here, as you can see, the video is created. So in Clipchamp, it's created very fast. Let's see how the video will be. It's so created, it seems. For creating, how about this? Is it's finished? Let me just play the video and see. You can add elements, music if you want to. And yeah, as you can see, these videos takes time. It's normal because creating video from scratch, from text, from images. So just be patient with these tools. So just check this one. Okay, maybe that's it because I didn't add many things. Doesn't matter. Let's just check CapCut. So the video quality will be better. Export, just click on full screen. Still nothing is created. So as I said, these type of videos takes time. It will take 5, 10 to even 15 minutes to be created. I guess Clipchamp is created already the video because I can see it. But it doesn't look good because we just added a video, then added the picture. And yeah, maybe because I didn't said what I want. Yeah, so as you can see, but of course, if I want to export it, though, it will be exported without any watermark. So as you can see, this is the video that's created. So it's given me it's given the title and then add in the picture. So this is the video that's created. As you can see, I can export it and I'll be able to export it without any watermark. But as I said, it's not good. It's not like a top tier AI video because it's just free and without a watermark. You can see I can open file location right here. It's just downloaded right away into my like drive. So yeah, I'll be able to see it on my drive on the other screen, but as you can see, this is the video and it has no watermark. So as you can see, there's no watermark to be seen. And meanwhile, of course, as an example, you'll be able to click on keep editing if you want, as an example, to edit it or do something about it. Of course, let me as an example, stores in cloud, click on export. I want to export it like locally to show you like there will be. So as you can see, here's the video. So as you can see, there's no watermark. So no watermark to be seen. So this is about ClipChamp. And just close that. Okay, it's created the like here video. I'm just going to play this video and see how this looks like. So this is the video created by CapCut. As I said, it's not the best quality. It's just what I wrote in the scripts, and because it's free, and that's basically it. So I'll remove like the music. I don't like music, and here we are. I can click on export. As you can see, I'll be able to export it however I want with the FPS I want and everything. Click on export, and as you can see, it will take some time. I'll just pause the video until this export and finish, and I'll show you that it has again no watermark. And of course, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the quality is not the greatest because they are free options. And of course, they are free options. So here we are, it's downloaded and everything, it's exported. So they are free options with no like. So as you can see, this is the video, it's just like some pictures going on. But this is the videos that you can create using these free AI tools. So these free AI tools that has no watermark, that you don't have to pay for. This is only the quality that you get. It's not the greatest, but it's what we have. So this is CapCut, and we went through CapCut and ClipChamp. Now, so other than these tools, there is like the Luma AI. So you'll be able to create like videos using that. So let me just go and paste the same scripts right here and see. So we'll have to sign in using Google. I'll just go and sign in using Google. See if they have the exports, or you'll be able to export without any like watermark. So I'll just go do that. As you can see, you can edit the video's duration and stuff like that. For me, I'm just going to enter it as it is, and let's just see if it will create the video using a watermark or no. So other than that, as I said, there is the Canva AI video generator, but this one, I guess, I'm not sure, but I guess it's require pro. Let's just make sure. So yeah, video clip, as you can see, it will require pro. Okay, so it's only 4 right now, it's not 5. And the last one basically that I know is Pickup AI. So you'll be able to sign up into an account again, and you'll be able to create that. So let's just do. I'm just going to skip over right here, and right here, I'm going to type my scripts and click on generate. Okay, this is an image. I didn't want an image. Oh, this is if you want to add an image. Okay. So it will generate, as you can see, the video. It's in high demand right now, so I'll have to wait, maybe even a lot. If I want to generate like faster, I'll need to upgrade. Let's just check if this is created my video. So I guess it's created, but as you can see, it has watermark at the top right. But there is like some workarounds that you can do once the video is generated using some watermarks. Even in these tools and any other tools, there are some watermark removers AI tools. I'm not going to mention the name. You can do your own research about these tools. It will remove your watermark from these videos. So this video, even if it has the watermark, you can remove it from the whole video, and it will not even affect the quality of it. The same will be for this. The same will be for any other AI tool. So, and I guess that should be it. I'm not even gonna wait for this. Probably it's gonna take an hour plus if it's high demand. So I'm just not gonna wait for it. So I guess that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.